While goal setting is an important part of life all year round, the approach of the new year reminds us to reflect on our life and where we want to be. I'm Dr. Catherine Macy, owner of Organise to Excel. Welcome back to my channel, and don't forget to click the subscribe if you want regular updates on practical tips to organise your life. We've been helping people overcome clutter and get more organised for over 15 years. I'm here today to help you live your best life. Now you've reflected on life using the Wheel of Balance and making a list of Smart Path goals, it's time to set priorities. As impressive as it would be to tackle every problem in your life simultaneously, it's unrealistic. Not only would it be a whole lot of work, your focus would be everywhere at once. What do you value most? Are any of these values at the top of your list? Time with family, forging ahead with your career, serving your community, love, adventure, creating a cozy home, being healthy, creating a life that works. Everyone's values are unique, and I can't tell you what you should value most, it's up to you. But asking yourself the question and finding out what you value most in life is important. It gives you a clearer focus, and knowing what you value means you can structure your life to match it. How your values show up in your wheel of life. Are you allocating time and energy in a way that matches your values? To be congruent means to be in agreement or in harmony. Life works better when you're not fighting yourself, so it's important that your values and the way you live agree with each other. If you value having a neat home, but consistently come home from shopping trips with bags of unnecessary purchases, your values and actions aren't in harmony and you have a decision to make. Do you want to change your values or the way you shop? Ask yourself both ways. Is shopping more important than a neat home? Is a neat home more important than shopping? Changing the words around makes your brain consider both sides. It can help you break out of bad habits. If you decide you enjoy having a neat home more than shopping, you have a clear path towards congruence. Simple, and sometimes difficult. If you have a hard time keeping your home neat, give us a call. However you approach your life in the coming year, I know these tools will help you be more organised. Live your best life now. Organise to Excel. Practical solutions for everyday issues. Subscribe, like our Facebook page, follow us on Instagram, and visit our website www.organisetoexcel.com.